Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss mean, median and mode. So we'll see one question on exponential distribution, and it says if getting in a traffic given in minutes is an exponential random variable, with parameter lambda equal to 0.1, if a person gets stuck in a traffic find the probability that he will have to wait for more than 1 minute. So this question says if getting into a traffic like traffic jam, if getting into a traffic given in minutes is an exponential random variable that is obviously continuous with lambda equal to 0.1, the parameter is given as 0.1, and if a person gets stuck in a traffic, then find the probability that he will have to wait for. So in this case we can see this lambda is already given as lambda equal to 0.1, and we have to find the probability that x will be greater than 1. In the theory part we have seen that this expression is given as e to the power of minus lambda a. So in this case a is nothing but 1 and lambda is 0.1. So this expression is nothing but e to the power of minus 0.1 into 1, like a is equal to 1, which is given as 0.9048. Next part is we'll have to wait between 1 to 2 minutes for clearance, obviously. So in this case the x is between 1 and 2. So this probability is going to be integration from 1 to 2 of the density function, and density function is e to the power of minus lambda into e to the power of minus lambda x dx. So lambda equal to 0.1, we can say this will be integration of 0.1, this lambda is given as 0.1. Of course the integration, we can directly use the integration instead of this lambda. This integration lambda e to the power minus lambda x will become minus of e to the power of minus lambda x, and the limits will be 1 to 2. Now we can directly put, instead of putting it twice, this will be, now for this 1 we can change the limits, so this will be e to the power of minus 0.1 x, and the limits are going to be, for this minus we are changing the limits as upper limit to be 1 and lower limit to be 2. This becomes e to the power of minus 0.1 minus e to the power of minus 0.2, and this is nothing but 0.086. So this is the probability that he will have to wait for more than 1 or less than 2 minutes. Now if there is an expression or there is a question that he will have to wait less than 1 minute, we can solve it in two manners. Of course they'll get the same answer. This is about x less than, or let's say equal to, also equal to 1, so this is going to be, we have already read in the theory part, this will be 1 minus e to the power of minus lambda a. So this is, otherwise you can also say this is 1 minus probability of x greater than 1, and we have found this value already. So this is going to be 1 minus e to the power minus 0.1 into 1, so I will leave it like this, and we know that this value e to the power minus lambda a is 0.9048. So this is nothing but 1 minus 0.9048, and this value is 0.0954.